Now we need to get to the budino part. And they call it a budino, but actually to me it's more like a cheesecake. And we need to start with a springform pan. So here is a 7.5-inch springform pan, and I need to give this some melted butter. So you want to really butter the pan well. I think this makes a really cute looking little budino, or I like to call it just a crustless cheesecake. So after you do that, you want to give that some breadcrumbs. So here are some toasted breadcrumbs. If you didn't have breadcrumbs, you could also use cookie crumbs on this. And give it a good coating all the way around the pan. Make sure you coat it well because this is going to help get this out. And with the excess crumbs, you just turn those out. So you can get your pan greased ahead of time. Then we're starting with 6 egg yolks again. We want to beat those up until they are foamy. Okay, there's a lot of noise in this kitchen today. And here is our ricotta cheese. I like to use whole milk ricotta for this. So you put that in. Does this look good? And you add some lemon zest, and you get that going. Okay, now we have to grind up some almonds. So in my little trusty grinder here, I love machines. So there we are, our ground up almonds. We're going to put them right in here. And we're going to fold those in with some lemon peel. Now you can either buy this in the store or you could make your own. And I know you have time to do that by just taking the peel off your lemons, putting them in some boiling water, and boiling them 2 or 3 times, changing the water every 10 minutes or so to get rid of that real pithy, bitter taste. And then you would take the peel out and sugar them, and then let them dry. You want to do that a couple times. You want to sugar them a couple times. And you'll have your own fresh lemon peel. So now we've mixed everything in, the ricotta, the nuts, raisins, lemon zest, and lemon peel. And we have preheated our oven to 350 degrees. This is going to take about 40-45 minutes to bake. You're going to have to go back and put a cake skewer in the center. And just when it's set, that's when you want to take it out of the oven. So all of this is going to fit neatly into this nice little springform pan that we have right here. Wonderful. Okay, looks good. Give it a tap or two, and in the oven it goes. 350 degrees for about 45 minutes to 50 minutes. You'll have to check it, as I say. So you bring over a beautiful dish. There's the one we baked earlier. Isn't that nice? You go around the outside of this, the inside edge rather, with a butter knife, just to loosen that. Those crumbs, though, should have helped you make this easy. And then you release the spring and take it right off. And then you put it on a beautiful dish, just like that. And here's more of that cream. So now we're going to give this a little whipped cream. You don't have to use whipped cream. You could just serve it as is with a little dusting of confectioner's sugar over the top. But while we're at it today with the spuma, why not have cream with this as well? So again, a little cream goes in the bag. Make sure you push all that air out. And give yourself just a little dollop all the way around, just to dress it up a little bit. Isn't this pretty? You got a little crack, you can fill those as well. Go around, just making nice little squiggles here and there. And let's put some right in the center. And then you can add some of that lemon peel that I was telling you about that you can make. So here's some that we did earlier. Look how pretty that looks. Just put that around the cake. You can use your imagination here. Fantasia is the key.